Hey guys, today I'm going to check out this 6 light chandelier that I just received for viewing purposes. I think that it's a really interesting piece because its design, it's quite unique. Okay, let me take this piece off. And as I've said, it's perfect for 6 light bulbs, and it uses the E26 light bulb base, which is the universal one or the most common one, okay? Which I think that it's really nice. You can pair it with a dimmer switch and you'll be able to dim your lights, which I think that it's really nice. You can set the ambient that you want. And they come really well protected. This is the proper main unit. You can adjust it, and we receive the download, so we can adjust the height of it. It's really nice. We can set it on different height ceilings. This is the ceiling base, and as I said, in here we have the instruction manual and the hardware that we're gonna need to do the installation, which I think that it's great. Overall, it seems like a simple installation, so let's start installing it and let's see how it looks and how it works. Come on.
The proper assembly and installation process is actually really simple, and I like because you don't need any kind of special tools. You need to assemble the piece, select the height that you want to install it depending of the height of your ceiling, which I think that it's nice. As I've said, you can place it on many different spaces and it can be adjusted, making it a really nice choice for any place in your house. You can also pair it with a dimmable switch and a dimmable light bulb, and you can dim the light to set the mood however you like it, making it a great experience overall. And with its design, it can combine with any kind of decoration that you have in your house, perfect for your dining room, your entryway, or if you just want to highlight an area. I think that it's really great. The materials feels of an excellent quality, and I like it because it even is anti-rust, so you can place it in your bathroom, your kitchen area, however you want it, and it ensures a long-lasting durability.
And as you can see, it looks amazing. With these warm light bulbs, I think that it gives a really comfortable vibe in this place that I installed it, and it's really beautiful. It has a really interesting design that I think that it's gonna be combining really nice with any kind of decoration that you have around your house, and as I've said, you can install it wherever you want. Overall, I think that it's really beautiful and I really recommend it. See you guys!